Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn how to check Active Taxpayer List sales tax. This is Federal Board of Revenue, Government of Pakistan. Website link is fbr.gov.pk. How can we check it? Just click on online verification portal. It has complete links of online status. Just click on it. Welcome to online verification services. Active Taxpayer List sales tax. Active Taxpayer List sales tax download file. It has, when you click on this, a file download, and it has complete active taxpayer list, active taxpayer person that are registered in sales tax and they are active. We want to check just one person, therefore we select Active Taxpayer List sales tax. Active Taxpayer List sales tax. If this window not appear in your screen, you just select Search Taxpayer and Active Taxpayer Sales Tax. The same window will appear. You have to mention NTN or CNIC. I have NTN, therefore I select NTN and type NTN number. Here you have to type after dash digit as well, and enter image character 363928 and search records. The results come: Active Taxpayer List ATL sales tax. This is NTN number. The result is showing, this is green mark. Taxpayer is active as on 25th September 2022. It's mean the person is registered in sales tax and it is active in sales tax, and they are filing their sales tax return from last 6 months. Here you see the remarks: the taxpayer e-filed 6 sales tax and federal excise return during past 6 periods. Six they have filed sales tax return during past 6 periods, past 6 months, and its compliance level is 100%. Here you see 100%, complete compliance level is 100%. It is active. If person is registered in sales tax, but if the status is inactive, it means they are registered in sales tax but they are not filing their sales tax return. Maybe they have some difficulties, they are not filing their return, therefore FBR makes them inactive. If the person is inactive in sales tax return, you don't buy goods from inactive taxpayers, because when we purchase goods from inactive taxpayer, then the input will disallow. To make sure, when you purchase goods from registered person, check status first, the person is active or not. You can check by using this link. And one more thing, in recent budget tax year finance act 2022, when we sell goods to unregistered person, we charge sales further tax at the rate 3%. In finance act 2022, the FBR make amendment. Now we have to charge further tax on unregistered person, as well as the person is registered in sales tax but not active in sales tax, we have to charge further tax on these person as well. I repeat, we have to charge further tax. In previous law we have to charge further tax only on unregistered person, 3% further tax charge only on unregistered person. But in Finance Act 2022, FBR made amendment. Now we have to charge further tax on unregistered person, as well as we have to charge further tax on those persons that are registered in sales tax but they are not active in sales tax, and we have to charge further tax on it. How to check the taxpayer is inactive in sales tax? By using, you can use this link, you can watch this video and you can easily know the person is active or not active. If the person is non-active, you check the status here. If the person is non-active, you have to charge further tax on it, on respective goods. And in FBR notification, FBR mention on these goods you have to charge further tax. For example, if you selling third schedule goods, if the person is unregistered, if the person is inactive in sales tax, then you don't have to charge further tax because you are selling third schedule goods. If you sell any other goods that are not listed in FBR notification, then you have to charge further tax on unregistered person as well as inactive sales tax taxpayer, inactive taxpayer that are registered in sales tax but they are inactive, then you have to charge further tax as well. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any query, you may freely discuss with us. Thank you.